Is Agent CRM the most organized CRM out there? I'm going to leave it to you to decide, but I am so proud of our team and what we've released with the new Branning Bundle organization system. I am thrilled to announce it is so easy, especially compared to what we used to have. But for those of you who are watching this video, current users or who are looking around, the main thing to think and to know is it's great to have a CRM with all the bells and whistles, but if you can't use it, if you don't know how to use it, if it takes too long to find your way around, that's a real bummer, isn't it? You might as well not even have a CRM. I've tried several CRMs myself in the past, long before I came to Agent CRM, and honestly, I just didn't even give any of them enough time. I didn't take the time. I didn't put my butt in a seat and sit down. But what we're hoping is that we're making it even easier to access these incredible tools to help you scale, automate, and grow your business. As you can see behind me here, beautiful colors, beautiful numbers. What do they mean? Why is this important? Let's go through that together just so you can see the thought that we've put through in designing these pre-made all-in-one business solutions. Now, if you are an Agent CRM user, you are likely already familiar with the click and play assets. This is our pre-made templates here. We're always adding new products all the time. This has been a fall 2024 release. So likely by the time you're watching this, your products are going to be there too. But ACA and Medicare are what we started with. You can come into this section as an Agent CRM user, or if you're on a trial, feel free to explore. You click import now, and that sucks all the content into your account based on the product of choice. So let's go to automation section here. Nice little neat folder packaged up with a cute little box. Let's go into the ACA assets. What we've done here is we've numerically ordered them that are going to follow the lead's journey through your business. Starting with lead generation, that's the first point of entry. New lead, lead nurture, appointments scheduled. If there's a regulatory or a requirement, Medicare and ACA, we help you jump through all of those compliance hoops with some clever automations. And that's all organized, appointment complete, sale made, based on the flow of a lead logically through your business. Now, disclaimer, everything here fully customizable. If it is not your product that I'm showing right now, if your final expense, you'll see the same architecture to the Branning Bundles, but super happy with just the order that we have brought to our world. CRMs definitely can be a lot of complication out there, and we're pleased to make this as simple and as accessible as possible. Every folder has subfolders. It's all colored. Black means what happens after a sale. So there's renewals, cross-sells, etc. But here's what I'm proud of. If you go anywhere in our system, let's say, for example, you are looking in automations. That's like the engine, the brains. Let's just go in one of them to show you what it looks like here. 2.0, your product name, new lead campaign. Well, this is an automation. Actions take place. We've designed this with minimal to no editing required, so you don't have to learn so much how to use the tech deep weeds type area of our system. But you can see here, this is an automation. It's what's powering the actions that take place. When should an email get sent? When should a text get sent? Etc. But what's cool is every single workflow aligns in color and in organization with our email templates. So if I go into the email template section, if I need to know where one asset is that's connected, hey, new leads, that's always purple. You're going to start to remember purple is new lead campaign. So check it out, folder. Every single asset is beautifully aligned and numbered. I know that this is the new lead campaign, email 1 in the purple new lead sequence. I'm looking in the workflow. Let's just click on those dots, preview template. And that is my branding, or a friend of ours, their branding preloaded, pre-populated based on the customizer. We've got a ton of assets. Check out our customizer video to see how easy it is to edit all of the emails within 5 minutes or less. But that's super sleek looking there. 2.0 purple is new leads. Again, this is an email that's named, colored, organized numerically according to a logical system that's going to help you make it easier than ever to access these tools. If I go to opportunities, every branding bundle in Agent CRM comes with 3 pipelines, but let's look at new lead as the main one here. Let's expand those. Every single contact is going to show you where they're at in the journey. So let's just add an example one so we can demo this. Let's add myself here. Create. Now they're going to show up in the new lead stage. If I close this, let's hit, didn't even hit refresh. There it is. Will is in the 1.0 new lead. That means nothing's happening to him yet. But if Will is here, I know he's either in the blue, which is nurturing, he's in the purple, which is new lead, or he's in the red, which for this is a little bit different. Based on ACA, Medicare, there are some needs there. If Will has booked an appointment, he's going to go in yellow. Look at it. 3.0 yellow appointment set. Well, I know by looking at it that it's yellow. If I forget the number, I know it's yellow. It's 3.0. And look, there's 3.0 appointments scheduled. These are the automations that are in line with that stage. Moving again to emails, these are 3.0 yellow. Those are the automations, the emails rather, that are in line with that stage. So across every area of our system, there is a clear connection between assets. The last thing I'll show you here, which I am also just remembering now, is that you can trigger actions happening by tags. So if I want to add Will to it wouldn't be an appointment reminder, but let's say a new lead campaign. You can see as I do the drop down here, there's 2.0 purple ACA new lead campaign. It clearly aligns with both the stage, the emails, and the automations. Now, nothing's going to happen because I have no email connected to this contact. It was simply a opportunity demo, but every single area, if you're wanting to just learn each stage in isolation, you can kind of just fiddle around like, okay, purple, okay, new lead campaign. Let's take a look at that. All right. Look, there's the tag. The tag triggers the campaign. Oh, that's awesome. I hope that these new Branning Bundle coloring system and organization is just such a blessing to you because, again, as a business, you need tools like this to grow, but maybe you've tried other CRMs in the past and maybe you've thought, my goodness, it is just so hard to do. And to be honest, there are a lot of softwares out there like us. But one of the things that we've set ourselves apart in is creating streamlined systems. These are new as of 2024, automations that are organized beautifully and are fully integrated with our account customizer. And they're going to show you how can you modify this in 5 minutes or less, where every single email, every single website, a landing page is fully customized so that you don't have to learn too much about the weeds, the tech. You are a sales dude. You need to just get in there and make some sales, but you need a system to keep organized and you need a system that you can automate and delegate simple tasks to. This new customizing feature in line with the organization is going to help make Agent CRM the most organized CRM you've ever used. We'd love to hear from you. If you are not currently an Agent CRM user, you can head on over to Agent. Let's go there together. Agent-crm.com, agent-crm.com. Link should be below. But we've got a 2-week free trial and you can peek around any of these assets yourself and see how easy it is to navigate Agent CRM. This is Will Winter, Operations Manager for Agent CRM. Thanks for watching.